Once you have set your goals, you know that this is one thing what I want to do in life. Once you know the why of your life, you know that this is the aim of your life. The next thing that you will do is take steps. Take steps to reach out your goals, to achieve your goals, and to do something which is the purpose of your life. At times, so many things keep happening, and we are expected to take decisions. Decision making is not very difficult if you know how to start and what is right and what is not right for you. For all those things, you need a mentor to help you, to guide you, and to take you further in your journey. As you might be feeling indecisive, you might be feeling incapable of taking up the decision, or maybe you are still not sure whether you are ready to take the risk of saying a big yes to the task that you are confused, or maybe something else. Whatever it is that is a difficulty for you, whatever thing you have in your mind that is a big problem for you, let your mentor be aware of that thing. A mentor is the right person with whom you can share your problems. A mentor will always find out an alternative to it, because a mentor is a solution provider and is your buddy, though he or she is a leader also. So, what are you waiting for? Reach out your mentor, and all the things will be fine.